All right, good morning, y'all. Let's get a little cold start in. Thank you for watching another video today. Got a short little video today, nothing too long. Just warming up the car. I hope you guys can hear me. Mic hooked up to the exhaust because I'm actually going to be heading to a little Cars and Coffee this morning, just warming up the car. I have goodies for the GTR. I actually have a lot more packages on the way, but I'm still waiting for a few more, so yeah. Let's open this bad boy up. This is something I think every car guy needs. It is a fire extinguisher. Yeah, literally first model of the year. I guess that's a mod. Alright, I'm gonna go set you guys up and we'll cruise to a little Cars and Coffee and see what happens. So we're parked up. Some pretty cool cars here. This thing apparently is like super fast. Alright, this is something I want to show you guys. Take a look at this thing. Exposed carbon. Damn. Look how crazy this thing is. Look at the wheels. Later, bro.
I'm gonna give it a little rev.
Yes, sir. God damn. Jeez. These things are crazy. What is this? Yo! That's crazy. At a car meet. Ooh, this thing is loud. This rolls is crazy. 26-inch rims. Oh my god. A Maybach? Crazy. 26-inch rims. What? Yo. Look at the rims. 26-inch rims is crazy. Damn, bro. Imagine being driven in this. I've never seen this. God damn. That thing is massive. Yo, look at this. There's a wine bottle and wine glasses back there. That's crazy. What's up? I'm not sure where I am in this vlog, but I made it back home and the weather is so nice out tonight. I think I'm going to change the tires on my Fit back to Summers because it's such a nice day today. And honestly, it'd be a waste not to do anything productive. Change into something more work appropriate. Not work appropriate, but like, gonna change it into something more I can move around in. I don't know, something I don't mind getting dirty, is what I'm trying to say. Car meet was great. Everyone that we know is busy. I wish more people came. Everyone's in Japan or just busy. So there's another one in May that I think we'll go to. I'm hyped for that. Yeah, I actually have some car parts that I am excited. Actually, you know what? Let's go unbox a car part. I have one. It's actually a nice rear diffuser I've been waiting for since February that I ordered, and it's finally here. Gonna unbox that. Tomorrow, I'm actually dropping my car off for about a week or two to a shop to get some work done. I'm going bigger injectors, catalyst downpipes, doing a bell housing fix, and a tune. I'm hyped for that. I'm so excited for that. Oh, I can't wait. Stay tuned. Or, yeah, keep watching. Okay, I am back. I have changed. I have a very big box. It is the JDM carbon diffuser for my GTR. I've been wanting this for a long time. Hopefully it fits. I'm just waiting for the light now. For some reason, I had the biggest heart on for a flashing brake light. Some people hate it. I just want to be safe. I don't care. Okay, the chance of you driving behind me is very unlikely. Let me open this up now. I can't install it yet because, again, I'm still waiting for the light. However, I've been meaning to take a look at it, so let's take a look. I'm so excited. All right, it's kind of heavy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ah, I see it. Oh shit, that's actually a really nice carbon. Yo. Okay, here it is. This is it. The carbon JDM diffuser for my GTR. This cutout right here, there is a fog light in the Japanese GTRs. I want that light because if I do run my wing, I am missing a third brake light. So I don't want to get rear-ended. That is one of my biggest fears. As a car guy, you would know. That looks pretty good. Let's hope it fits. Again, I don't have the light yet. I'm still waiting for that to come in, but this is actually really nice. I'm surprised with how it is. It looks like it'll fit perfectly fine. I'll install that when the light comes in. Stay tuned for that. Bam, just like that. Summer tires are on. Now I could have gone and repainted these. I kind of want to, just because they are kind of dirty, but it's the daily. Both the cars looking amazing right now. That's a sick picture. All right, let's put these cars away. Give it a good little wash. Looks pretty good. Summer tires are on. Let me go clean up. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate the support. Stay tuned for more GTR content, okay? I'm excited to do so much more to this car. I'm so excited. All right, thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.